Okay, let's make the picture of lion. Select and make the body parts.
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man,
Great.
the Muffin
Good
Man.
job.
Yes, we know the Muffin
This is
Man who
lion.
lives on Drury Lane.
Solve the next one.
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
Good job. This is zebra.
Do you know the Muffin
Solve the
Man,
next
the
one.
Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
Great. This is hippo. Solve the next one.
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives
Awesome.
on Drury Lane.
This is crocodile. Solve the next one.
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
Do you know the
Super.
Man, the
This is kangaroo.
Muffin Man? Do you know the
Solve the next one.
on Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
Super. This is giraffe. Let's solve the next one.
The farmer in the dell. Hi ho, the dairy-o, the farmer in the dell. The farmer takes the wife. The farmer takes the wife. Hi ho, the dairy-o, the farmer takes the wife. The wife takes the child. The wife takes the child. Hi ho, the dairy-o, the wife takes the child. The child takes the nurse. The child takes the nurse. Hi ho, the dairy-o, the child takes the nurse.
Super. This is
Takes the
camel.
cow. The nurse takes the cow. Hi ho, the dairy-o, the nurse takes the cow. The cow takes the dog. The cow takes the dog. Hi ho, the dairy-o, the cow takes the dog. The dog takes the cat. The dog takes the cat. Hi ho, the dairy-o,
This
the
is
dog takes the
walrus.
cat. The cat takes the mouse. The cat takes the mouse. Hi ho, the dairy-o, the cat takes the mouse. dairy-o, the mouse takes the cheese. The cheese stands alone, the cheese stands alone. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone. Hi-ho,
Well
the
done.
dairy-o,
This
the
is
cheese stands
monkey.
alone. The farmer in the dell. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the farmer in the dell. The farmer takes the wife, the farmer takes the wife. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the farmer takes the wife.
Well done. This is tiger.
The wife takes the child, the wife takes the child. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the wife takes the child. The child takes the nurse, the child takes the nurse. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the child takes the nurse. The nurse takes the cow, the nurse takes the cow. Hi-ho, the dairy-o,
Well
the
done.
nurse
This
takes
is
the cow.
elephant.
The cow takes the dog, the cow takes the dog. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cow takes the dog. The dog takes the cat, the dog takes the cat. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the dog takes the cat. The cat takes the mouse, the cat takes the mouse.
Super.
Hi-ho,
This
the
is
dairy-o, the
rhinoceros.
cat takes the mouse. The mouse takes the cheese, the mouse takes the cheese. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the mouse takes the cheese. The cheese stands alone, the cheese stands alone. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone.
Super. This is bison. Well done. This is dolphin. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Well done. This is koala.